Finally, I'm in Georgia. I have stuff to do. A lot of interviews. But now we are going by car. It's a little bit expensive than I thought, but far I like this car. I'm leaving after 10 days, but I'm still buying car. Father.
მოგწონს ხომ აგი მანქანა ეს ვიღო
ისა?
ხო.
კი, რა თქმა უნდა. ის არ მოეწონება გასა. სულ ვიდეოა ესა თორე მოუწონარი როგორი.
Tbilisi is cold. It's madness. Very cold. Few days I will be in Batumi. Weather is way better there. I was planning to stay in Georgia a little bit longer, but when I get a fight March 18, now I need to first probably I'll go to Thailand first month for striking, and after I want to do 1 month somewhere in Europe to be closer to London. When we was living in Tbilisi at that time, it was after Taka's fight. Now completely things are changing. Things can change very fast. From that place and now top 10 in the world. That's why guys, never stop. You don't know what will be tomorrow. And now if everything will be okay, I will buy that car, go to Thailand after 10 days, and car will become his car. He will drive it. It's good when you have this opportunity to make things for your family, parents. That's really good feeling. We need to go to Tbilisi. Check if everything is okay. Bye. We'll do, probably it will take like a couple hours. Nothing to eat here. Probably we'll just sit and wait. I have like some coffee there, but only sweets. A lot of sugar. March 18. From these days we need to be ready. It's a long day. Well, I don't need to forget eating. In the morning I didn't eat nothing. This jet lag still beating me. The Georgian kitchen is like a lot of good food, but it's not helpful, especially for fighters and for diet. So I need to find something what I can eat. Show them what comes for you.
მოგეწონა?
შეიძლება მოხდეს. Finally, they give me car back. It was nothing special things to do, and now we're done. Now I'll go rest. Now I will train and go rest. And tomorrow 6-hour drive and go back to Batumi. Finally home. Final destination in Georgia.